Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after turn off menu appears you have to hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, like the sign here at the bottom says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit safe mode and enter just like normal mode, you have to restart your OUKITEL tablet, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.